Top 10 Most Expensive Yachts. A luxury yacht is not just a mode of transportation. It's also recognized as a symbol of riches for many people around the world. These luxurious yachts are only affordable by the richest people of the world. The luxurious yachts around the world mostly offer luxurious features like helipads, theaters, concert halls, multiple swimming pools, saunas, and hot tubs. Today we will tell you about the 10 most luxurious yachts. At number 1 we have the History Supreme, worth $4.8 billion. First interesting thing about this yacht is it's made of solid gold. Robert Knock, Malaysia's richest man, owns this yacht. It was built in about 3 years. Its length is about 100 feet and used around 10,000 kilograms of solid gold and platinum. Renowned luxury designer from the UK Stuart Hughes designed it. The gold and platinum adorn the yacht from its base to the dining area, deck, rails, staircase, and anchor. The most awesome feature of the luxury yacht is its master bedroom that has a wall feature made from meteorite rock and a statue made from genuine Tyrannosaurus Rex bones. The master suite is adorned with a 68 kilogram 24 karat gold Aqua Vista panoramic wall aquarium and a liquor bottle featuring a rare 18.5 karat diamond. At number 2 we have the Eclipse, which is worth $1.5 billion. Russian billionaire Roman Abramovich owns it. The yacht consists of 2 helipads, 24 guest cabins, 2 swimming pools, hot tubs, and a disco hall. Apart from this, it also has intruder detection systems and missile detection systems. It was designed by Terence Disdale and built by Blohm & Voss of Germany. The yacht is 533 feet long, with miniature submarines that's capable of submerging up to 50 meters underwater. Windows in the yacht are bulletproof, and it has a master bedroom with armor plating. At number 3, we have the Streets of Monaco, worth $1.1 billion, featuring miniatures of the renowned landmarks of Monaco like Monte Carlo Casino, Hotel de Paris, Saracas, and a beach-like swimming pool. Streets of Monaco is a 500-foot-long yacht and can be described as a floating city. Opulent Yacht has designed the exteriors of it, while filthy rich boaters have done the interior. The luxurious suite that the yacht has on offer is spread over 3 floors and features a private elevator, an office, a living room, and balconies and sun decks with jacuzzis. Besides this, it also consists of 7 guest suites with reception rooms, bathrooms, dressing rooms, and balconies attached to them. The yacht also features barbecue facilities, a mini waterfall, and a gorgeous cafe bar that provides an underwater view, helicopters, and submarines. At number 4, we have Azam, which is worth $600 million. Rumored to be owned by a member of the royal family of the UAE, Azam, according to its makers, is the most complex and challenging yacht to have ever been made. The 590-foot-long yacht is said to be one of the fastest, with a speed of 35 kilometers per hour. French interior decorator Christophe Leoni has designed the sophisticated interiors, while Nada Yacht has designed the exteriors of it. It features 2 gas turbines and 2 diesel engines with a total power of 35,048 kW, and is capable of traveling at high speed in both warm and shallow water. At number 5, we have Motor Yacht A, worth $440 million. Reportedly owned by Russian tycoon Andrei Melnichenko, the luxury yacht of Motor Yacht A is reminiscent of a stealth warship or submarine, and has been constructed by architect Martin Francis and designed by Philippe Starck. It has been built by Blohm & Voss Shipyard in Kiel, and can accommodate 14 guests and 42 crew members. The interiors of the 400-foot-long yacht extend over 24,000 square feet, and features a 2,500 square feet master bedroom and disco, along with 6 guest suites that have moving walls in order to convert them into 4 large staterooms. Mirrored surfaces adorning the interiors and furniture, glassware and tableware made of French crystal add to the luxurious aspect of the yacht. It also features a helicopter hangar, a 30-feet speedboat, as well as 3 swimming pools, one of them being glass-bottomed and situated directly above the disco. At number 6, we have Dubai, which is worth $400 million. Another extravagant yacht that is rumored to be owned by a member of the royal family of the UAE. Dubai is 531 feet when it comes to its size. Blohm & Voss have built it. Andrew Winch has designed the exteriors of it, while Platinum Yachts has designed the interiors. Featuring a mosaic swimming pool, circular staircase, helipads, sunbathing areas, and a number of jacuzzis, the superyacht can accommodate 155 guests, including the crew members. Bold colors dominate the interior of the yacht, while its deck features a split-level owner's deck, a large social area and lounge, and a number of VIP areas, as well as guest suites. At number 7, we have Al Said, worth $300 million. Al Said is rumored to be owned by a member of the royal family of Oman, and is reportedly the world's highest displacement superyacht with a displacement of 15,850 tons and a length of 508.53 feet. The yacht can host up to 70 guests, along with 154 crew members, and features a concert hall that can accommodate a 50-piece orchestra. It enjoys a speed of 47 kilometers per hour. At number 8, we have Dilbar, worth $256 million. Known to have been built for Russian billionaire Alisher Usmanov. Dilbar is built at the German Lürssen shipyard and enjoys a speed of 42 kilometers per hour. Having a displacement steel hull with an aluminum superstructure, the yacht can host 40 guests and has more than 80 crew members. One of the most exclusive aspects about Dilbar is the swimming pool that it has on offer, as it's known to be the largest superyacht pool. Besides the pool, the yacht offers 2 helipads and its living space spans across 3,800 square meters. At number 9, we have El Merkab, worth $250 million. Rumored to be owned by Qatar's former Prime Minister, Hamad bin Jassim bin Jabbar Al Thani, El Merkab was the winner of Motor Yacht of the Year award in 2009, built in Germany by Peter Schiffbahn Webelsfleth. The architect behind the luxury creation is Tim Haywood, and Andrew Winch has designed it. The yacht is made of steel and has a length of 436.35 feet. Enjoying a speed of 37.6 kilometers per hour, the yacht features 10 large suites for guests that comes with a bathroom, a living room, and a double bedroom. Besides this, El Merkab also offers a cinema, an indoor swimming pool, outdoor bars, jacuzzis, space to have a sunbath, a helipad, along with a wide option of water sports equipment. It can host up to 25 guests as well as 55 crew members. And lastly, at number 10, we have Lady Mura, worth $210 million. Lady Mura is rumored to be owned by Nasser Al Rashid, a billionaire business person from Saudi Arabia. Built by Blohm & Voss in Germany, the yacht is plated with gold and can accommodate up to 30 guests and 60 crew members. The name of the yacht on its exterior is also made of 24-karat gold lettering, making it unique in its own way. The other extravagant features which Lady Mura has on offer include a swimming pool with a retractable roof, a helicopter, and a Viscount Linley dining table of 75 feet. We can say that owners of these yachts are the richest people in the world, and every one of them want the best yachts for themselves.